Hey guys, Steve Christian, Scott Christian here. We're recording now, so that's Scott Christian, my brother, Steve Christian. We're ChristianBrothersLending.com. Hey, just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick update. I don't know if you've been watching we do a lot of posting on Facebook. We do shot a few videos. We're actually going to be having a class this Thursday at 11 a.m. That's again on our Facebook page. You can check that out if you want to join in, listen to some of the changes. There's a lot of changes in the mortgage market right now. There's a lot of loans that have disappeared, and there's a lot of changes in some of the existing one and some of the guidelines. A lot of lenders are raising their FICO scores. Thank God that the lender that we're with is not. They're leaving their FICO scores the same on their agency loans, although jumbos are a lot more difficult to do. But we just got out of a meeting, Scott and I did.
Right?
Yeah, it was a very important meeting because I think that the biggest thing here is there's a lot of people out there, and especially you realtors, when you're talking to your clients, they're considering an option called a forbearance on their house. That means that the lenders, a lot of the lenders have various options to help people in this crisis, most of which fall under a category called a forbearance. A forbearance basically means that you don't have to make that payment for a period of time, or you make a portion of the payment for a period of time, and then at the end of that time frame, all of the back payments that you did not pay are due. So if you enter, let's say you have a $3,000 a month mortgage, you enter into a forbearance agreement for 3 months. On that fourth month, if you did not make a payment, $12,000 is due. Okay, so maybe that's good for you, maybe that helps you, but let me tell you something else about that they're not telling you is the guidelines for qualifying. Scott, if you want to talk about this.
Yeah, exactly. And everybody's getting this right now because of what's going on, obviously, with the coronavirus, and the banks are trying to help homeowners and keeping their home and offering this great, what sounds like great incentive. And it is. It's great. I mean, to have the opportunity to be able to do that. However, in the lending arena, if you do a forbearance like this, meaning you don't make your payment for 3 months, and then at that fourth month, God knows if you have that $12,000, as Steve mentioned, great, yeah, and you pay it up current, but you are now unable to loan or be lended money, do a refinance, or even or let's say you sell your home and want to purchase. You have to have 12 months consecutive payments in a row in order to qualify for a new mortgage. So if you went 3 months, right?
So even though it's not reporting on your credit, and even though they're saying you don't have a late payment, we're not going to report it to your credit report. But here's the issue: is that if you're thinking that you're going to solve your problems in 3 or 4 months or 6 months or however long, some of them are 12 months, however long that forbearance is due with a refinance, it's not going to happen because you're not going to be able to qualify. Fannie, Freddie, Ginnie, they've all come down with the guidelines. Yes, other independent banks might say other things, but I'm telling you what, those independents are the ones who are tightening their guidelines more than anybody else. So what happens we're here to educate you. We're here to help you. At the same time, if you decide to enter into a forbearance agreement and you need to refinance to pay it back because that's your only option, because if you're out of work and you don't have the money, you're not going to have, I mean, I don't know where it's going to come from. If you get a job, it's going to pay double, who knows? But you're going to have to pay that, and then you've got 12 months before you can refinance. If you have the situation where you go, I don't want to lose my equity on a foreclosure, then you're going to have to go and do a sale. After that sale, you're going to be a renter for at least 12 months before you can buy again, because you need 12 months behind you from that negative payments.
So what we're here to tell you is, before you make that decision, you need to talk to somebody that can help you and guide you through other alternatives, other options. Okay, if you have equity in your home, maybe refinancing now is the right thing to do, or looking at what your options are before you make that.
Hey Scott, if I refinance my home, sometimes I get to miss a payment or two?
That's the other thing. Exactly. We can get you to skip up to 2 months payments in a refinance. So, and right now the banks are offering you what, 3? So you're talking about 1 month difference, and yet at that point you skip 2 payments. You can take the advantage of maybe pulling some cash out on to hold you over through this time, or pay off some other debt, whatever. And right now the rates are so great that it may be a wash where you pull the cash out and your payment doesn't change, and yet you're paying off all this other debt, or saving money at the same time. There's so much to talk about when it comes to going that route versus, the bank that you're being serviced by allowing you to forbearance.
Yeah, and then after a forbearance, then you can go into a modification. But then again, that's up to the bank. They get to make the decision. Was it a true hardship? Is it does it fall in their guidelines for hardship? Do you requalify with your new job if it was a job change? So
And what
I
will it do
think,
to your credit? What will it do to your
yeah.
credit? And I'm not talking about just score, just your your overall credit rating to qualify for any other lending,
So
right?
debt consolidation is an option. There's lenders out there that, even if it's not refinancing your mortgage, but refinancing your credit cards, there's a couple really good lenders out there. Give us a call that will actually do up to $25,000 with lower FICO scores and help consolidate your credit cards. That might help you with some time and that you need so you can avoid doing the forbearance, or even just doing a straight refinance, and a consolidation could save you thousands of dollars a month. That could be the difference. And skipping a payment or two, that could also help you out as well. So I suggest you talk to your real estate agent professional, talk to your lender, give us a call. We're here for you 24 hours. We just want to make
Yep.
sure that you guys are okay. I got nothing to do. It's like a
Yeah.
freaking Groundhog Day here at my house.
Right. Yeah. So
I'm
we're
still
ready
in
to
my
take your call.
pajamas today.
At least waist down. So
Got to at least put a shirt on.
yeah,
I
right.
put the hat on.
So you
That's to
guys,
hide my
Eddie,
head.
if you have questions, comments, concerns, or get the information from your servicer, run it by us. We would love to make
Yeah.
sure that we try to help. That's what we're here. Try to help.
Yeah, you
Until
got
then,
time. Remember, you got up to 30 days to make that house payment before
that's
they
right.
can report it as a 30 days late. So give us a call.
Yep.
Let's see what we can do for you. We're still doing loans
Stay
fairly quickly.
safe. Stay home. Right.
Yeah.
Stay safe
Stay
and stay
safe.
home.
Stay home.
All right.
Stay the course. God
Christian
bless you
Brothers.
all.
We're out.